Next, we're asked to find vector PR. PR. PR is this. I put in the broken line and I am going to put in the double arrow, direction to where we're going, P to R. So PR is going anti-clockwise direction. So we have to go clockwise direction to solve it. So we need to go from X to R. No, sorry. P to X, then X to R. We must start with P and end with R. Okay, so it's P to X plus X to R. Again, start with P, end with R. Now, XY is A going that direction. And we know that XP is a quarter of A. So going PX would be the opposite direction. So it will be negative a quarter A. R is halfway, so XR would be half of B. So I'm going to put the positive one in front, so it's going to be half B minus a quarter A. Half B minus a quarter A. Next, we're asked to find vector RQ. So starting with R, ending with Q. The resultant double arrow is going anti-clockwise, so we need to go clockwise to solve it. So we're going to go from R to Z and then Z to Q. And we know what ZQ is. All right. So R to Z, Z to Q. R is halfway on X, Z, going in that direction, it's positive. So it's going to be half B. Half B. Now, earlier we worked out QZ, and QZ going from Q to Z in that direction, it's positive 1/3 B minus A. But ZQ is in the opposite direction. So instead of positive 1/3, we're going to put negative 1/3 B minus A, and then we expand the brackets. So it's half B minus 1/3 B positive 1/3 A. So we're going to put a positive A in front, 1/3 A, and we need to work out the fraction. So in working out the fraction, 2, 3, 6 LCM, so therefore 2 divided into 6 goes 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. 2 times 1 is 2. So what we get is 1/6. So B's new value is positive 1/6. So it's plus 1/6 B. So the answer is 1/3 A plus 1/6 B. Next, we're going to work out PQ, vector PQ. So we start with P, end with Q. So the resultant is like it's saying it's going clockwise direction. And so we're going to go anti-clockwise direction, opposite direction to solve it. So we're going to go from P to Y, Y to Q. So if XP is a quarter, then PY is 3/4. So we're going to write down, we're going to go P to Y, then Y to Q. So PY is 3/4 A, and YQ is 2/3 B minus A, going that direction. So let's expand the bracket. 3/4 A, 2/3 B, 2/3 times B give us 2/3 B, and 2/3 times negative A give us negative 2/3 A. So we need to work out the fraction. So I'm going to put the B in front, 2/3 B, and then we're going to work out the A. So in working out the fraction, 4 3 is 12, 12 will be the LCM. 4 dividing into 12 goes 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 into 12 goes 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. And so we have 1/12 remaining. So A is equal to positive 1/12 A. So remember, we use a coefficient to work it out. So your final answer for vector PQ is 2/3 B plus 1/12 A, or if you want to write it with the A in front, it will be 1/12 A plus 2/3 B. And that's it. Thank you for listening.